Module 8, Policy Formulation, Implementation, and Evaluation in Public Administration. Module Overview. Module 8 delves into the complex process of policy formulation, implementation, and evaluation in public administration. Public leaders must possess the knowledge and skills to craft effective policies, ensure their proper execution, and assess their outcomes to meet societal needs efficiently. This module emphasizes the interplay between strategic leadership, stakeholder engagement, evidence-based policymaking, and institutional accountability, providing you with comprehensive insights into driving impactful governance. 1. Policy formulation in public administration. Policy formulation is the strategic process of identifying public problems, generating policy alternatives, and selecting optimal solutions to address societal challenges. It requires problem identification, recognizing and clearly defining public issues based on research, public input, and organizational priorities, agenda setting, determining which issues warrant attention and action within the public administration agenda, policy analysis, evaluating potential solutions using data, cost-benefit analysis, risk assessment, and feasibility studies. Decision-making, selecting the most effective and ethically sound policy alternatives aligned with public interest. Effective policy formulation balances political considerations, ethical imperatives, legal frameworks, and social impacts to create solutions that are inclusive, sustainable, and responsive. 2. Stakeholder engagement and collaboration. Public policies are more effective when developed collaboratively with key stakeholders. Leaders must identify stakeholders including citizens, interest groups, NGOs, and government agencies. Facilitate participatory decision-making and consultation processes. Incorporate stakeholder feedback into policy design and refinement. Promote transparency and accountability to strengthen public trust. Collaborative policymaking ensures that policies reflect diverse perspectives, minimize resistance, and increase legitimacy in the eyes of the public. 3. Policy implementation strategies. Implementation transforms policy decisions into actionable programs, projects, and services. Leaders must ensure that policies are executed efficiently and equitably. Key considerations include allocating resources, financial, human, technological, effectively, developing operational guidelines, procedures, and timelines, training personnel, and establishing clear roles and responsibilities, monitoring progress, and addressing challenges proactively. Successful implementation depends on coordination, communication, and adaptive management, allowing leaders to respond to emerging obstacles and changing conditions. 4. Monitoring, evaluation, and feedback mechanisms. Monitoring and evaluation, M&E, are essential for assessing policy effectiveness, efficiency, and impact. Leaders must define measurable indicators and performance benchmarks, collect and analyze data systematically, evaluate outcomes against objectives and expectations, use feedback to adjust policies, improve service delivery, and inform future policymaking. M&E fosters evidence-based leadership, accountability, and continuous improvement, ensuring that policies achieve intended public benefits. 5. Adaptive and responsive policy leadership. Public leaders operate in dynamic environments with political shifts, social change, and technological innovation. Adaptive policy leadership requires anticipating changes and adjusting strategies proactively, balancing short-term responsiveness with long-term policy goals, encouraging innovation and creative problem-solving in policy design, maintaining ethical standards, transparency, and public trust during adjustments. Adaptive leaders ensure that policies remain relevant, effective, and aligned with societal needs, even under complex and uncertain circumstances.